Hey guys, Anya from Anya's Reviews here with another unboxing. So we've got Xero Shoes fall line here. This is going to be open to the public on August 26th, I believe. First up, it looks like these are the ballet flats. Okay, so this is the Phoenix, and it comes in knit and in leather. So you've got a vegan and a leather version. I wear a size 6 in flats usually and a size 6.5 in closed-toed shoes. This is my first closed-toed Xero shoes. I've only ever tried sandals, so I wasn't sure what size. They recommended to start with a 6.5 for everything. So this is a 6.5. It's got kind of a little stretchy, not too stretchy, knit, and it looks like there's a really thin removable insole if you need a little extra space. And I really like this little detail right here, the little pointed vamp on the inside. And then this is the same shoe in leather. It looks like the interior is leather too, which is nice. You can see a nice foot-shaped insole. It looks like there's some texture on the leather on this outside. I didn't realize that looking at the pictures online. And without the insole, it looks like it's finished, so you can wear it without the insole if you need extra space, and it won't feel gross on your foot. All right, next up, we've got, this is the Aptos. So this is a slip-on. I love slip-ons. I've been trying several out this year. These are a 6.5 as well. It looks like it's like a canvas hemp, which is kind of a nice breathable texture. And also a removable insole, which I always appreciate. White contrast. It looks like it's got this detail strap right here that is non-functional. I might be wrong on that, but it looks like it's just for looks, and it doesn't actually tighten, and then elastic right there. But otherwise, it looks pretty good. Maybe a little bit narrow. We'll try it on in a minute. And then the last is the Alpine. So this is a snow boot that is supposed to be fully waterproof. It looks like it's got this really nice soft lining on the inside. And it's quilted, so that's nice. A little bit stiff, but it is a snow boot. Lugs on the outside. Let's see. Yes, a removable insole. I don't think I'm going to be able to grab it though. Oh, here we go. And it looks like it's got a thermal aluminum on the bottom for heat retention. Cool. All right, let me try them on. Here we have the Phoenix ballet flat. This is the knit material. It's vegan. It has this textured section on the side. The material is soft and stretchy, but it still holds its shape pretty well, so it looks dressy. The outsole is nice and flexible, and it has a removable insole in case you need some more space. This is the leather version. It also has texturing on the side. It's got a little padding at the heel for a good fit. The interior is also lined with leather, and the insole's removable and a little bit stiffer than the knit version, but still flexible. The Aptos is a hemp vegan slip-on. We've got the branding on the side, the Xero logo, white contrast stitching, and this strap right here that looks like it's just for looks, non-functional. The outsole is really lightweight and flexible, definitely more flexible than the Phoenix. We've got the elastic on the sides and nice hemp texture on the fabric. Padded collar around the heel, and removable insole, and then fabric lining. Here we have the Alpine snow boot, which is also vegan, fully waterproof. It's got these heavy-duty lugs. The sole is stiffer than I'm used to, but it is a snow boot and it looks to be pretty durable. There's a microfiber toe guard, and the upper is quilted, so hopefully it's quite warm. You can see that the tongue is attached, which helps keep water out, and the soft, minky interior is just around the heel. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see all my other barefoot shoe reviews, and head over to anyasreviews.com for the full written review.